Yeah, the Goa Chief State Information Commissioner Vishwas Satarkar has today heard final arguments on the two appeals filed by me against the refusal to furnish information by the Raj Bhavan under the Right to Information Act. I had asked information from the Raj Bhavan about letters written by the then Governor Satyapal Malik to the Honorable Prime Minister and to the Honorable Home Minister. I had also sought information of copies of the letters written by the Prime Minister and by the Union Home Minister to the then Governor Satyapal Malik. So the Raj Bhavan took a stand that the information was not traceable and they do not have any such information. So I sought an inspection of the inward and outward register at the Raj Bhavan. And the inward and outward register was called by the State Chief Information Commissioner that it be produced before him. And after the inspection of those inward and outward registers, I found at least 12 details of letters written by the Governor, then Governor Satyapal Malik during his tenure as Governor, to the Honorable Prime Minister and to the Honorable Home Minister. There were records in the inward and outward register also of letters that came from the office of the Prime Minister and the Union Home Minister. So this has been pointed out to the State Information Commissioner that the Raj Bhavan, which for over a decade had refused to furnish information under the Right to Information Act, because the Raj Bhavan for over a decade had taken a stand that it is not a public authority, despite the State Information Commission in 2010 ruling that the Raj Bhavan is a public authority. Against that order, the Raj Bhavan had gone to the Honorable High Court. The High Court dismissed the petition of the Raj Bhavan, saying that you are a public authority and you have to be amenable to the Right to Information Act. Against that order, the Raj Bhavan went to the Honorable Supreme Court, and then for some years there was a stay by the Honorable Supreme Court and the matter did not come up for hearing. Meanwhile, the current Governor, Mr. Pillai, in 2021 on Gandhi Jayanti suddenly decided that he will come under the RTI Act and has appointed a public information officer. So I immediately applied for this information because Governor Satyapal Malik was very vocal about the corruption going on in Goa, and he has written to the Honorable Prime Minister and the Honorable Home Minister on how corrupt the Goa government is. So it is the duty of the Raj Bhavan now that it is a public authority, it has accepted that it is a public authority, that this information be furnished. So these two appeals were pending here now before the State Information Commission, and the Chief Information Commissioner, Mr. Vishwas Satarkar, has today finally heard the final arguments, and he has kept the matter for his order on April the 12th.